Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Woo! Hi guys, as you can see, I already have my Google AdSense pin. So this Google AdSense pin came from Malaysia. Yes, take a look at this, guys. So it's from Malaysia, and they sent it to my address here in Cavite. So I'm so happy and glad that I already have it. So this Google AdSense is for you to be able to, um, earn lots of money. Ooh, lots of money. No, it is gonna be your pin for you to be able to open an account. So, you know, you can get your payouts from YouTube. Okay, so I really have to open it up. So I don't know how to open it, but later on I'm going to open. But I'm so happy because I have this already. So yee! So if you really want to be a YouTuber or a vlogger as well, just like me, so you can be able to earn income from YouTube, well, you should have to try it now, especially this time of pandemic. Instead of doing some online thing that you're not getting any type of income, so this is gonna be your moment. Okay, and if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell button to get the latest upload. This is Christian Valdez. Thank you so much for watching.